Okay, this is a 2016 Ducati XDiavel. She's a golden 2017. So this bike is 2016. I did some modifications on it, like the Zard exhaust, and I also added the DB killers. The sound is pretty good, but it's a little bit excessive when you are riding long distance, as the exhaust is in the same height of your head or ears. So that's something that I did. I also changed or add the Evo Tech grills to protect $2 deer whistles. I don't know if they work, but $2. Um, and also, I was riding one day, and this mirror just broke. As you can see, it broke. When I called the Ducati, they told me that it's not under warranty, and so I replaced it with the exact same size and model, brought from China, from eBay, like $45 the set. So it was pretty good. I also have a 3 liters pack in the backpack, and I also had replaced the fuel sensor in the back of the bike. So what I was going to say is that um, the second time that the sensor failed, I called the Ducati and they told me that it was not under warranty anymore, just because it passed like 1 year and a half instead of 1 year warranty. So they told me that they cannot fix it for free anymore. That I don't think it should be like that, because this is the way. This is a famous failure. The sensor that it has over there is from October 2020. So what I did is I opened I removed the tank, and then I took a look how was the mechanism of the sensor. So what I did is open the sensor, and I will show a video of how it's inside that sensor. Basically, it's a float with a magnetic metal piece, and according to the level, it will detect how up or down is in the tank. So as I said, I will show it in the next video, or following this, and you will understand a little bit how does it work. What I did, I made sure that the sensor is flowing up and down freely. What I think I did, I put a Lucas or gas treatment that is a kind of oily. So I think that it left the sensor stuck in that position. So hopefully this video help for the next for users that has the same issue. I have to put this here. Okay, any questions, let me know. Okay, I will turn on the bike just to show you how it sounds. As you can see, the sensor is showing good. It used to be flashing. This sensor used to be flashing red or orange, showing like an empty tank. So I think that the sensor was stuck in the bottom of the tube that I will show in a minute. Okay, in this video I'm showing how is the fuel pump for Ducati XDiavel 2016. I've been having a lot of issues with this pump. It was changed one time with warranty. My Ducati is a 2016 XDiavel S, and then they replaced it with a new one that is about October 11th 2020. So what I did, I removed the cap from the, and basically what it has inside is a bar with some electronics here, and then in the inside is just a float that if you remove this you will see it. So what it does, this sensor goes to this bar up and down and make it the level of the gasoline. So I'm trying to see inside if I have any, if there is any issues, but I don't find anything. So I'm just going to clean, make sure that it slides correctly. I'm looking for my flashlight. So I want to make sure that everything is clean inside, so this sensor can go up and down. So as you see, okay, so we'll see how it goes.